In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and edit a Word document stored in OneDrive using Microsoft Word. Whether you're switching devices or simply want to make sure your documents are safely backed up in the cloud, OneDrive integration with Word can be incredibly handy. So let's dive right in and go through the process step by step. First, fire up Microsoft Word on your computer or your preferred device. You might be using the desktop application or accessing Word through your browser. Either way is fine. Just make sure you're logged into your Microsoft account, as this will be essential for accessing OneDrive documents. Once you have Word open, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. You'll notice the File menu there, which is your gateway to opening and saving documents in various locations. Click on File, and you'll see a sidebar appear on the left-hand side. From this sidebar, you'll want to pick the Open option. This is where you'll access all the different locations where you might have documents stored, including your OneDrive account. Below the header, listing all available storage options, click on OneDrive, followed by your account name. This represents your personal OneDrive storage space associated with your account. Now, if you don't immediately find OneDrive, your account name, in the list of locations, don't worry. Simply choose to add a place. This will prompt you to sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. And just like that, your OneDrive storage will be linked to Word, making it easy to access your files. Once you're connected to OneDrive, browse through your folders to locate the specific document you'd like to open. If you've organized your files, you may need to navigate through a couple of folders, but it shouldn't take long. When you find the document you're looking for, a simple click will open it right within Word. With the document now open in Word, you can begin editing straight away. If you have autosave enabled, which is highly recommended, your changes will be automatically saved to OneDrive as you go. This feature is fantastic for ensuring your hard work won't be lost due to unexpected shutdowns or other mishaps. Remember, because changes sync directly with OneDrive, you can easily switch devices or collaborate with someone else in real time without sending files back and forth. And there you have it, a straightforward way to access and edit your OneDrive documents using Microsoft Word. I hope you find this process as easy and efficient as I do. Happy editing, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips like this.